Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing, and this is going to be a little bit awkward because they put the address on both sides of this box. I'm going to try to open this without showing any of that. It's going to be hard. Let's see. Here we go. What? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Not sure what just happened, but it looks like I have just received my original box back. Oh, okay. That is very interesting. I've just received my box back. Does that mean I did not get my money back? No, I don't think so. I think I got my money back. So what does that mean? Does that mean I get to keep? Interesting. Alright, well, hey, that's a bonus. Looks like I received it back. Thanks for watching. Something new every day. Cool.